ready to talk all about the Prada boots. Oh my gosh, I love these boots. I'm going to take a deep dive into the Prada boots, and I'm going to tell you whether or not these boots are worth your money. I got my Prada boots in August of 2020, and let's just be honest for a second. I wear these boots all the time. If it's winter, if it's spring, if it's fall, my go-to boots are these. Do I want to be dressy? These. Do I want to be casual? Prada boots. Do I want to be comfy but chic? Prada boots. When it comes to cost per wear, these boots have done me justice. But with all the new price increases that have happened on these boots, are they worth your money? When I purchased my boots back in August of 2020, they were approximately the same price as the short ones are now. The short ones also have a combination of leather and nylon, which goes alongside the re-edition bags. They also have done the tall version in the same combination in terms of the leather and nylon, but the version of the boots that I have are fully leather. I first want to talk about the fit on these boots. So I bought these boots in a size 37, which is my true designer shoe size. In runners and things like that, I can usually go down a size, but in designer shoes, I do wear a size 37. When I first got them, they were a little bit clunky. They were slightly tight in terms of the width of the shoe. I do have a wider foot, but it did not take very long, and maybe because I was wearing them every day, for me to break these shoes in, and now they honestly are so comfortable. They are my go-to boots. No matter the season. I may not wear them in the summer, but if I can find a way to wear these in the summer, trust and believe you will see me wearing these boots in the summer. The one thing that I do not like about these specific shoes is the fact that the sole is glued on to the boot and it is not sewn or reinforced by being sewn onto the shoe. And I have heard of people experiencing the sole actually separating from the boot. At the price point that you are paying for these boots, I do not think that any sole should be coming apart. But those are some of the things that are inherent with Prada specifically in terms of quality. Unlike, you know, like Hermes and Chanel and Louis Vuitton, even Louis Vuitton has some quality issues nowadays as well. So does Chanel. I would definitely say that Hermes has really kept up the standard in terms of quality on their products. Prada is one of those houses that, you know, you're not going to see perfectly aligned stitching. You're not going to see everything like very immaculately detailed and very crisp and perfect. But in terms of a designer trend that came out that took the industry by storm, these boots were it. They were so hard to get your hands on, and when I was able to finally get my hands onto these boots, you know, I jumped for joy. I put them on, I think, that very day, and I was out the door. Since then, the boots have been released in a short version, the nylon version that I talked about, or the combination of nylon and leather, and then also the white version of the boots that's available in the short version as well. Whenever I see somebody wearing these boots, I always say, you know, this person has style. This person is a risk taker. This person looks put together, because these boots do that for you. I put these boots on with an oversized hoodie, a pair of leggings, out the door, look great. I also wear these boots to work with like a slip skirt and maybe something like this turtleneck and a leather jacket over top, and they look great. I take the pouches off of the boots sometimes and wear them without the pouches. Usually on the weekend I'll wear them with the pouches. I find them to be a little bit more work appropriate without the pouches, but if I do wear the pouches to work, sometimes I only wear one. I've also taken the pouch and added it on to like a little belt and worn it as like a belt. Honestly, when we talk about cost per wear on these boots, like hands down, I have gotten my cost per wear and they still look great. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you and not tell you that these boots are a significant investment, and there are a number of dupes on the market in terms of boots that have a similar aesthetic, but there is nothing like these boots. if you want the boots, if you've been thinking about getting the boots, I definitely would suggest that you go ahead and just bite the bullet on them, because they have done me justice. As you see here, mine are quite dirty. I wear them quite often, but they have worn really well. Of course, you'll see from walking in them and things like that, but they still have their structure. They still look great. Yeah, they could be buffed. I could send them to the shoemaker to have them cleaned up, and they would look brand spanking new. They have definitely been great to me. In conclusion, I would definitely say that the Prada Monolith Boots in the black color, not the white, because I've heard some scuffing issues with the white, but in the black color is definitely worth your money. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then go ahead and do that. Let me know how long you have been eyeing the Prada Monolith Boots down in the comment section below, and let me know also what is one of the ways that you would see yourself wearing these boots. Until next time, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe.